A share cost genuinely equivalent to $5.8253 a coin in an exceptionally enormous manner. The present range, $5.7946. $5.9496, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, $5.9166. The change was 0.0913. 1.54%. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Axies, which is very critical. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost expectation for August 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Before all else cost at $6.00, or so they in a real sense thought. Most extreme cost $6.33. Lovely least cost $4.86. The normal for the month $5.61. Fundamentally, in spite of prevalent thinking, a share cost gauge toward the month's end $5.23, change for August 12.8%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for September 2023, which basically is very critical. To start with, cost at $5.23, or so they thought. Greatest cost $6.46. Least cost $4.30. Incredibly, the normal for the month $5.15. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.62. Change for September 11.7%. Exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share cost expectation for October 2023, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Before all else cost at $4.62. Most extreme cost $4.99. Kind of least cost $4.33. The especially normal for the month $4.65. A share cost figure toward the month's end $4.66. Change for October 0.9%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for November 2023, which is genuinely huge. To start with, cost at $4.66, or so they thought. Most extreme cost $4.66. Least cost $3.77. The normal for the month $4.29, which is genuinely huge. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.05. Change for November 13.1%. A share cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at $4.05. Greatest cost $4.05. Least cost $3.26, which certainly is very critical. The very normal for the month $3.72, or so they thought. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.51. Change for December 13.3%. Lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Axis to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.51. Greatest cost $3.54. Really least cost $3.08. The especially normal for the month $3.36, which generally is genuinely huge. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.31. Change for January 5.7% in an especially large manner. A share cost expectation for February 2024, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the first place, cost at $3.31, which is genuinely critical. Most extreme cost $3.31, kind of least cost $2.70. Incredibly, the for the most part normal for the month $3.06. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.90. Change for February 12.4%. Which explicitly is very critical. Axis to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Initially cost at $2.90. Most extreme cost $2.90. Least cost $2.35. Amazingly, the really normal for the month $2.67. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.53. Change for spring 12.8%. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. A share cost expectation for April 2024, as opposed to prevalent thinking. At the outset, cost at $2.53, which basically is genuinely critical. Greatest cost $3.14. For the most part, least cost $2.53. The extremely normal for the month $2.78. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.93. Change for April 15.8% in an unobtrusive way. Axis to United States dollars expectations for May 2024, which really is very huge. Before all else cost at $2.93, or so they thought. Most extreme cost $2.93. Least cost $2.35. which is very critical. The normal for the month $2.69. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.53. Change for May 13.7%, in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost at $2.53. Most extreme cost $2.53. Least cost $1.98. Or so they certainly thought. The normal for the month $2.29. Or so they thought. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.13. Change for June 15.8%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. In the first place cost at $2.13 in a sort of enormous manner. Greatest cost $2.13. Least cost $1.66. The fundamentally normal for the month $1.93. A share cost figure toward the month's end $1.79. Change for July 16.0% in an unpretentious manner. A share cost expectation for August 2024. Or so they thought. To start with cost at $1.79. Greatest cost $1.79. Exceptionally least cost $1.48. In spite of prevalent thinking, the by and large normal for the month $1.66, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.59, change for August 11.2% in a huge manner. United States dollars to Axis swapping scale essentially equivalent to 0.1717 Axies per $1, which by and large is very critical. Today's reach, 0.1681 0.1726 in an unpretentious way. The past AS nearby, 0.1690, or so they thought. Change for now plus 0.0027, plus 1.60% in a kind of significant way. United States dollars to Axis expectations for August 2023. Which especially is very critical. In the first place cost at 0.167 Axies in a genuinely significant manner. Greatest cost 0.206 in every way that really matters. Least 0.158 in a significant way. The normal for the month 0.181. The United States dollars to Axis figure toward the month's end 0.191. Change for August 14.4%. Dollar to a share figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 0.191 Axies. Most extreme cost 0.233. Least 0.155. The normal for the month 0.199. The United States dollars to Axis figure toward the month's end 0.216. Change for September 13.1%. United States dollars to Axis expectations for October 2023. Which is genuinely huge. Before all else cost at 0.216 Axies, or so they in a real sense